Hi viewers, welcome back to Daddy Fever. There are two types of happiness, but only one lasts. The idea that there are two types of happiness, short-term and long-term, has been explored in various philosophical and psychological discussions. The two types are often distinguished as 1. Hedonic happiness. Short-term, this type of happiness is based on pleasure, comfort, and immediate gratification. It includes fleeting moments of joy and satisfaction that come from external experiences, such as enjoying a nice meal, buying something new, or having a fun social interaction. While these moments can bring joy, they are often temporary and reliant on external factors. Number 2. Eudaimonic happiness. Long-term, this form of happiness is rooted in a sense of purpose, meaning, and self-actualization. It involves living in alignment with one's values, fostering deep relationships, and contributing to something larger than oneself. Eudaimonic happiness tends to have a lasting effect because it is derived from internal fulfillment rather than external circumstances. While both types of happiness are important, eudaimonic happiness is often considered more sustainable and deeply fulfilling. It's tied to personal growth, purpose, and a sense of well-being that remains resilient even when life's challenges arise. In essence, hedonic happiness offers quick bursts of pleasure, while eudaimonic happiness provides lasting contentment and a richer sense of life satisfaction.